So first you want to get yourself a white t-shirt and pin some green fabric onto the shirt. If there's people yelling in the background of this voiceover, I'm sorry. My brother has friends over. Now I'm badly hand sewing it to the shirt, and thankfully I ended up using my sewing machine instead because I'm really terrible at hand sewing. You want to sketch out the stripe that goes on the sleeve. I noticed that it's pretty big, like the stripe on the base, like in the middle. But you still don't want to make it so big that it covers the whole sleeve. And don't do what I'm doing, like pinning it to the sleeve without wearing it. I know that sounds stupid, but the other sleeve turned out better when I did that. When I wore the shirt and pinning the fabric to myself. And last is the neckline. I know it's a V-neck, but when I tried the shirt on, it was really, I couldn't get it on me. And there you go. I ended up doing the V-neck. It's not perfect, but here it is. And bye. Onto the tutorial. The hair and makeup tutorial. You want to pull your hair back, and I'm assuming if you're going to cosplay this character, you'll be using a wig. But since I have the same hair color as Chihro, I decided to use my real hair, and even give myself a haircut like you'll see in the next clip. I don't mind having to cut my hair for the cosplay, at least my bangs, but I decided to still have long hair because it's my pride and joy. So you want to section the hair, and what I'm doing is that I'm still trying to make my bangs very anime. And I cut the middle part of my hair. The bangs. I don't know why I just said that. But basically what I'm saying is that I made the middle part of my bangs. Bangs. Next I'm doing foundation, and reading your comments on Instagram, this really has to be said. I never use primer on my face because I've never used primer before, and I don't have any primer. Not that I don't want to use primer, and I'm saying primer quite a lot now. Not that I don't want to use it, I just don't have it. I'm mixing white cream paint into my foundation because I'm really pale and I need to make a decent match to my skin tone. You're probably thinking, not a very smart idea, but hey, you work with what you have. I'm putting... Why do I keep pausing when I do a voiceover? I'm putting skin tone eyeshadow on my eyelid, and now I'm doing eyeliner. Because Chihro is a preteen, I think, I decided not to use fake eyelashes because I wanted this makeup to be innocent and not so dramatic. And for some reason, I did my bottom eyelids. You don't have to do this because she doesn't really have eyeliner under her eyelids. But it was on the box, and I was using my VCR box as a reference to how you do her makeup. And next I'm doing blush I got from Mayron. I think it's a cream blush. And if it does get too heavy, simply wipe off some of it with your foundation. And I'm stupidly putting more on after wiping it off. I'm a dumbass. And I'm contouring my chin again because she has a line under her mouth. And again, if the contour gets too heavy, go back with it with your foundation. And that is your finished Chihro cosplay. Thank you for watching, and please don't give this video a dislike because I know you really are holding a grudge on me. But please give this a like. Again, I know you hate me. And bye.